Very good morning, friends. Nalnakshi Swami here. Welcoming to my channel, Smart Index Edge. As usual, I am coming up with the Nifty levels based on the India VIX. India VIX has cooled off a little bit. Based on that, I have calculated the levels to be daily high to be 23,663 and daily low to be 23,339. It forms the boundary for coming days. For example, today also, Monday. Suppose if it crosses and above the 23,663, then expansion of the price will take place from the weekly expansion. Suppose if it starts breaking down below this level, that is 23,417, then expansion to the lower side will take place, and the weekly level comes around 23,071, and weekly high comes to around 23,000. Sorry, I have not marked it. 23,000. Weekly high to be 23,991. No, sir, 931. 931. This is the level. So mark down the levels and trade. Actually, what has happened in the market is it is increasing. The price is, if you can see clearly, price is moving higher and higher, but it is not closing at the high. That is the problem. Any day, whenever you see, all the days, it has not closed at the high. It is closing either in the middle of the day or closing at the low. On Friday, what it has done is it opened higher and closed lower, low of the day, and closing below the previous Thursday's close and also Thursday's low. It has closed below the Thursday's low. The low was 23,442. No. Why it has, okay, 23,445. But the rollover close is around 23,501. That doesn't count actually. It is not sustaining actually, and it has broken down below this low. That is on Wednesday's low, it has made a lower low. If I place the cursor, the low is 23,398 and the low is here 23,412. It has made a lower low, indicating some sort of weakness. So today we need to say whether even though it has made a lower low, but it has closed inside the range. This is entire thing is a range type of play. We need to see what happens in the market, whether it is going to consolidate. Consolidation is on since Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday and Friday. All the 4 days, it is in a range. After the price has gapped up from this level, price has gapped up from this level, 23,473, it is completely within the range, trading within the range. So the range, this is very, very important. Monday, if it starts breaking below this range, there is possibility of market coming down to 23,339 and also 23,182. These are the levels. Today, we need to carefully watch what happens in the market, whether it is going to break down or still it is going to stay in the range. So Monday, today's opening range, you need to see if the range is very small, if it starts trading within the range, better not to trade in the range. So only if there is a trendy move either to the upside or to the downside, it will be very good. Actually, when market has closed near the low, there is probability of opening if they want to go higher. there is probability of gapping up some further some news, and the weekly opening level is at 23,570. 23,570. So this, let me make it bigger. This is the opening level. So you need to be very, very cautious. When the price comes and hits this level, it may face resistance. Suppose if it is trading above the 23,570 consistently, then there will be a range expansion, or the market can start going above the 23,658, and then it may cross this boundary to make a range expansion in this market. So while in range, if I put the volume profile for this range, let me take the volume profile and see the point of control comes around 23,536, and it is a balanced profile. It is a balanced profile. That means market is in the range. Actually, either it has to cross the 23,616, or it has to consistently trade below 23,449. So it is in a range. So be cautious while taking the trade. In the range, only range highs and range lows. But here, it has tested the range high and range low 1 and 2, 3 times. It has already tested 3 times. So we need to see there should be a parabolic move either to the downside or the upside. In the range, whatever I see is I'm seeing little bit of weakness. So probably market can break down. I'm anticipating market can break down this level to seek lower levels like 23,339 to 23,182. But I'm anticipating, but I'm not trading. Why I'm not trading? Market has to show, because we are all retailers, not the big money. When the big money shows the way, I'm going to trade with them. Coming to the Bank Nifty, same scenario. After running up so much, it is undergoing through consolidation. But it has also shown little bit a leg down from this low, and the price has closed near the middle of the range. So range has started from only 2 days, whereas in Nifty it has started from 4 days. 4 days of range, actually it will not sustain. It has to break out either to the downside or to the upside. We just need to wait and watch. Suppose if the market breaks below the levels for Bank Nifty is first level is 50,567 and another level is 49,769. Suppose if it breaks above, let me take the measured move, and if I plot that, breaks above first level will be 52,622 and 53,286. These are the levels we can anticipate in the market. So we need to see this is the range. Suppose if there is an expansion in the range, suppose to the downside, if it starts moving like this, the market, if it breaks below like this, retest, and it can go like that down. Suppose if it starts moving higher, it can break above the range and start trading higher. In Bank Nifty, the price has closed in between the range, whereas in Nifty, price has closed near the low of the range. So today's price action is very, very important. The market auction, how it auctions, how it trades is very important. First, our trade will tell you how the market is positioned itself in the market. Okay, friends, thank you very much. Be careful while trading, and if the direction is to the downside, trade with the direction. If it is towards the upside, trade with that. Thank you very much. Nalakshi Swami signing off.